Peter Obi don finally break the remaining glass o. As e be like this now, e don tell Tinubu, if we are at war, let's quickly declare the war because e no go fit keep quiet o. Tinubu dey carry Nigeria money take dey buy private jet, dey buy ship, dey buy houses o. E say that one no go fit happen. End bad government as e take talk am o. My people, e don red. A country wey be say government no get money to give the citizens, government no get money to boost the economy, but government get money to take pay tolls make they go dey protest say they no need protest o, they no need protest o. Hi, how you think say this country go ever dey good in your own life? You see am, ndo one Nigeria more na gather here na una dey talk to. Now tell me how you think say this country go feel good. I know say the hardship dey reach your side because of your ignorance and your hatred wey you get for your own people, and you no go gree because most of them na Hausa o, na born them o, na Hausa blood dey carry their waka everywhere. But however, e don be like say e don be, shebi you don hear am now. Government do not have money to take boost the economy of the country, to take stable the dollar so that people go fit dey buy, dey do the transaction. Government no get money to reduce the fuel price, but government get money to pay people make they go dey protest against the protest about end bad government. E don red o, my people. However, I go play the video make you see wetin Peter Obi tell Tinubu before we come back and continue. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. Please, as you dey watch am, dey share am before we jump to the next update. Watch the video make you hear wetin Peter Obi tell Tinubu.
If we are at war, let's declare war. And everybody know we are at war. There's nothing wrong with that. This is not time for anybody to keep quiet. This is not time for you to even be honoring politicians until things start working. Because it's not working. We can't be stealing money and answering His Excellency. Nobody is excellent in stealing. We need to fix the country. The country now needs to be fixed. So you have a job. And that job is to ask fundamental questions. We said people will borrow money. That's what our law says. If you must borrow money, you must say what you're using it to do. That is why people like me are preaching that we must return to, if not to full parliamentary system, we must do what is happening in South Africa. So that we have proper time to question whoever is the president. He doesn't have to hire parents and talks. And now, allegedly, the planner of the protest. So what I'm going, where the president should be able to be questioned by the people. If he goes to borrow money, we will know what the money is being borrowed for. If he's going to sign any agreement, we will know which agreement he's not signing. Not when he finishes signing it, and all of us are wondering what was signed. So we need to have a president. We need to know how much oil we produce in this country. Who is producing it? Who is selling it? All this story, whether somebody has a refinery outside or inside, is not a story for us. The people we elected must tell us who has the refinery inside, why the refinery is not working, and who has the refinery outside. All these stories we are hearing today, this is happening and everything, they must secure us. If we are at war, let's declare war. And everybody knows we are at war. There's nothing wrong with that. We know that we are at war. We can't have a country where non-state actors and criminals have taken over and nobody is doing anything except every day we say we are going to borrow new money for this project. We are borrowing money for this. We are borrowing. No, we now want to face. So all I'm appealing to you and your team, appealing to all of you today is, please, this country is going through not just a difficult time. It is today, in terms of insecurity, we are one of the worst countries to live. In terms of poverty and suffering, we are one of the worst countries. In terms of misery, we are one of the worst countries to live. In terms of hungry, we are one of the hungriest countries of the world. So everything is headed south. And it becomes imperative that all of us, when we talk about leadership reset, it starts from everybody here. All of us now have to sit down and say, who are we electing? Who are we supporting? How do we hold them responsible? We need ethical leaders that should be responsible to the society and be able to be answerable to the society. That is what it is. We need a leadership that is visionary. When the Kenyans rioted, their president listened. He went back and cut down, removed from the whole budget everything that concerns first lady and second lady. As far back as 2000, today, Nigeria is the home for the highest number of homeless people in the world. We are, year 2000, our poverty and those living under poverty or multidimensional poverty are below 100 million. Today, we are over 130 million. Every measure and indices of development, Nigeria is headed south. And this has worsened in the past 9 years. And of course, everybody can see what is happening in the past 1 year. Which is why, like I said, it is something that you have to look at, reference yourself. That a country, within 1 year, when in 2015, we had a new government, our debt as a country is less than 30 trillion. Today, our debt as a country is about 120 trillion. And the law of Nigeria said, if you must borrow, you must tell them what you're going to use the money you're going to borrow. People must know. But nobody here, because I'm talking to the best people, rotary people are caring people. But I'm sure none of you know what we use 90 trillion for. All we're being told is the story and everything. Our unemployment has worsened. Our after-school children have worsened. Our health care has worsened. A country like Nigeria today have more people when it comes to infant mortality. We have overtaken India. That is 7 times our population. Just like we are more than them when it comes to issue of poverty. They are 7 times our population. In all this, which you know more, I do not need to start boring with you. In all this, what is meeting, what is the causing this is cumulative effect of leadership failure over the years. Not having a leadership that you can call ethical leaders, all of us politicians, not being able to have the conscience, because for you to have talk about leadership, you must talk about competence, capacity, compassion.
Yeah, my people, welcome back as you don't watch that video. Or yeah, make I show you the video of those wey Tinubu government carry come outside say make they come protest, but they no get money to give the Nigerians. They no get money to reduce the fuel price and other things. I'm going to show you the video for you to watch and before we come back and continue. Una don hear wetin put to be tell am. If we are to war, let's make it open so that everybody go know that una go dey carry the money dey do what are they calling it, this Lagos boys aburo thing for inside that rock again. My people, you don read though. Let me play you the video, make you watch.
Ẹni tó bá tó bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá ti ká bọ̀ ṣe ẹ̀dá ìpòtẹ́ ìparí ní ẹ̀dá tó bá ti tó bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá ti tó
are not come to threat, you know.
That's why I'm begging.
You say if you get mad, make you come outside. Say you want to come. These are not threatening now.
Tell me how this country can ever be good in this life. If this country is still in the hands of Yoruba, nothing will change in Nigeria. Take it or not. How can... No, we are saying Igbos not to protest. Yes, I know that at the end of the day, they will land it on their head. But look at what Yorubas are doing. They are following Yorubas again. So this is a high rate of betrayal of Nigeria youths. But however, when I don't see them, it better make something that happen so that we go know who be who for inside this country. Those who don't want the country to better, na Tunumbu and Yorubas follow. That's good Yorubas, but see this one. You don't say they don't collect 500 though. They don't collect 500 and they come to shout no protest, no protest, no protest. These people were there and are the same people who they see for video where they cry say hunger don't buy them, hunger don't buy them. Now the same people, now them be this. May you see the life where they live for Nigeria and the thing say the country get very good again. My people, share the video. Our own is clear. What we need is the independence, totally freedom. We no want to do again, no be by force. Release Nnamdi Kanu and give us, let us go and stay on our own. That is what we want. We no want to do again. As we dey talk and peace, 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 una no dey hear. The day wey we go start, make nobody say, they don't start oh, they don't start oh. Na so e be oh, wanna share this video.